Fort Wayne is in the process of cleaning its rivers with the goal of reducing waste by 90%.
But all that work comes with an expensive price tag. News Channel 15's Randy Spieth joins us with part 2 of Fort Wayne Underground.
Fort Wayne is under a federal mandate to reduce waste in our rivers, and it's under strict deadlines to get the work done by the end of 2025.
This was the best plan for basically the highest return on investment.
Fort Wayne's under a federal mandate to reduce the raw sewage that goes into its rivers by 90%. The city will spend more than $240 million to get the job done.
The work that we're pursuing right now will yield very visible, positive results for the community to see.
The biggest chunk of that money will go towards a massive tunnel under Fort Wayne. The tunnel alone will cost over $150 million. That's the final piece of the puzzle, but other work is already going on.
We have seen some reductions. We've been doing tons of sewer separation.
Those separations have taken place in many parts of the city and have eliminated basement backups in about 6,500 homes already.
We're actually ahead of plan on that. We were supposed to be finished by 2018, but we've actually made a very big jump on that, and we've been working consistently over the past 5 years.
Another $65 million has gone into expanding the capacity at the city's wastewater treatment plant on Dwenger Avenue. The plant can now treat an additional 1 billion gallons of water a year.
The first part of our solution was to increase the capacity of our plant so that we could treat more during these wet weather events.
So how will we pay for all these improvements? There's little to no state and federal funding available, which means we'll all pay for them through our sewer bill.
The challenge with rates is nobody likes them. But the challenge with the mandate is we have to pay for them somehow.
And rates are already going up. There's already been one 5-year rate increase since the city and the EPA reached their agreement, and the second one was announced at the end of June.
We hope that that is something that people are willing to invest in our community to get cleaner rivers, better quality of life.
The next 5-year plan would see its first increase next year. Between 2015 and 2019, a Fort Wayne residential sewer customer using 5,000 gallons would see an average increase of $3.44 a month each year. At the end of 2019, that total increase will amount to $17.21 a month more than people are paying right now, a nearly 49% increase.
What people need to remember is 100% of our rates goes right back into the projects. 100% of our rates goes right into the system. 100% of the rates are used to make sure that we are enhancing quality of life.
Fort Wayne isn't the only city going through this process locally. Many cities in the area have reached similar deals with the Indiana Department of Environmental Management. IDEM says New Haven spent more than $23 million to reduce waste. Auburn is projected to spend nearly $22 million. Columbia City is spending $42 million, and Huntington will spend $63 million to reduce waste. You can see more about what other cities are spending to clean the rivers by looking for Fort Wayne Underground on Wayne.com. Tomorrow night on Nightcast, we'll look at the largest single expense, a 5-mile tunnel going more than 150 feet underneath Fort Wayne. And we'll give you an exclusive look at Indianapolis work so far on its tunnel. Randy Spieth, News Channel 15.